Welcome to the Victorian Plumbing Guide on how to seal a bath. I'll show you how to use silicone sealant to seal around your bathtub. This video is to be used as a guide only, and we always advise that you seek professional help. The first thing you want to do is grab a wipe or a damp cloth and some blue roll and clean around the edge of the bath, making sure you remove any grime or old silicone. Now I'm using a high quality white silicone sealant. This is resistant to mould and growth, and all we're going to do is cut the top off. Be careful when you do this, just take the top off the tube. On your tube you'll also have a nozzle like this. We now need to cut that nozzle at a slight angle. Now pop your silicone tube in a silicone gun, and there's a couple more things to get ready before we start siliconing. Now choose a silicone profiling tool. There's plenty of different ones on the market, just don't use your finger. You'll want plenty of tissue or blue roll and some washing up liquid mixed with water in a spray bottle to make some nice soapy liquid. We want to fill our bath up 2/3 full of water. That's because when a bathtub's full of water, there's a lot of weight in there, and we want that silicone to be applied whilst there's weight already in the bath. Starting from the corner, move the nozzle in so that it's at an angle across the corner and gently squeeze, and in one motion we want to do a nice smooth bead of silicone along that joint, just like that. I'm just going to go around the corner of the bath there. Now it might look thick and not very smooth at the moment, it doesn't matter. The idea is that we get enough silicone in there at this stage, and then we'll profile it and make it look nice and smooth. Now we're doing the same along the rest of the bath. Nice bead all the way along. Now we'll use a profiling tool and our soapy water. Spray the tool with lots of soapy water, and then we will profile the silicone. Start from the corner and run the profiling tool in one direction, and that will profile the silicone. And you can see all that overspill. Make sure you're taking that off as you go. Now we'll just give it one last tool up just to make sure it's nice and smooth, and there you go. And that's what we're looking for, nice full silicone joints, straight lines with a good profile and a good finish. And making a good finish on your silicone not only prevents leaks, but it gives you a good looking finish as well. Once the silicone's dry, let the water out and your bath will be ready to use. You'll be able to find bathroom sealant on the Victorian Plumbing site, and we're going to put a link down below in the description.